Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for November 5th, 2020. Let's take a look to see where the market heading to. Right now we are in the uncertainty that we don't have the president yet. We don't know who will win the election, so the market is to be try to put it back up. Doesn't matter who win the election. So right now, as you can see that if you have been following me, we already draw this slide for you. And then, a lot of people, they thinking that market drop to this level to continue to go further south. And we show you that the market will follow support at our buy zone. If you are a member of Stock Navigator, you will know what the buy zone is about. So when the market hit to the buy zone, the buyer step back in, they push it back up. Right now they hit to the resistance level here. So let's see the market is able to continue to push it higher. If they be able to carry the momentum, if they be able to break it higher, they will get into this area here. But if the market is reject at this level, we're looking for more in the downside, and before we be able to break out and go higher in the future. So in Stock Navigator, we don't need a lot of indicator. We look at the chart, everything on the price action. That's how we teach the people how to read the chart, how to understand the crowd psychology, so that you know where the market is heading to. If you look at the smaller time frame, you can see that the market do a stair step. They go up, they pull back down, they go up, they pull back down, they go up, they pull back down, they go up, pull back down until they cannot go higher, and then they run out of step here, and the market will roll over to the downside. So right now we are in the very important area here. So let's see the market be able to continue to push it back up to the upside here to retest the all-time high here. If the market cannot do that, and then they will roll over to pull back and get some momentum, and then we will go from there. So that's why make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we will alert you so that you know where the market is heading to. So if you look at this week, the market it has been doing very well, and all the index they have doing well, especially for the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin, as you follow me, the Bitcoin have been running up very fast to the upside, and the momentum is like parabolic in the upside. So right now they still have some room left here to put it back up. So the market will put it back up until they run out of gas. So the Bitcoin have a good home run here. And another thing that gold, since yesterday you see that gold be able to break out the down trend line. They also put it back up. However, they hit to the resistance, so they need to pull back, okay, so that they can gain some momentum before they can go higher. Okay, so if you are if you look at the market on the E-mini SP 500, so the market hit through resistance, so they run out of gas, so now they start pull back down. So you have to be careful for the long side right now. And if you are a day trader, if you belong to the expert trader group, you see that this morning when the market is open, and then we stay calm when the market be able to break out, and we jump in, take a first trade for the first 1 hour with 27 point gain for the ES E-mini future SP 500, and then $50 per point. So with a lot of members, they make a good money for the day, and they done for the day. We jump in, we take a profit right into the resistance that we already predefined ahead before the market open. So that's what we're doing every day in our live trading room. So this is the technique that the member of our expert trader are using to make quick money for daily income. And besides this, we also analyze a lot of stock, so that they bring in a lot of stock that the member they found have a potential to go up, or we can find where we're supposed to get out, and then we do a lot of them every day. So the bio sector right now, look at over the weekly market forecast on Sunday, a lot of stock that we point out, now they hit the resistance to be able to take in profit. Okay, so that's why if you are not a member of Stock Navigator, you need to know when you're supposed to get in, when you're supposed to get out, and don't try to chase the market. Okay, so a lot of stock that we talking over the weekend, like the blue chip stock, they are doing very well. At our member, they get in here, but they don't get into this level. Okay, Adobe, another one is up. Okay, AMD, the last couple of days they jump up very fast. Facebook also hit the home run here. Okay, Microsoft also hit the home run. Nvidia also put it to the top. Okay, Xilinx another put it to the upside. But at this moment the market already run up, so you need to wait for the market to pull back down if you are not in there. But you cannot just jump in and become a FOMO. This is not the play that you can buy. You have to sit down to see where the market is, where they're heading to, before you can jump in again. A lot of construction equipment, they're also doing well. They go up, pull back down, they go back up. John Deere, another one that they make an all-time high now. Another one that the VV, this one is strong, but they are slowed down a little bit. Okay, MSM, also they hit the home run here, so they are sideways right now. A lot of outdoor stock that they're doing very well. As you can see here, Garmin, it continues to the upside. HEO, they hit right into the resistance right now. Let's see if they're able to punch through and go higher, or they will have to pull back a little bit. So overall, the market is still very bullish, as you can see. And look at the VIX, it's also coming down. Okay, so after last week, I told you the VIX it tried attempt it 3 times. If they cannot get higher, okay, they will rub it down, and then that's where the market will have momentum to push it back up. So that's exactly what it is. So when the market is stay calm, the people stay calm, the market will have the way to push it back up. But if they get into this area here, if they turn around, go up again, the market will drop again. So right now we still have a lot of uncertainty in the market, so we have to be careful. Okay, and let's see where the market heading to first, and then before we can loading again. Okay, look at the Dow, the diamond is still doing well for the last week there. Okay, that's the emerging market is extremely well. Also the mid cap stock is also doing extremely well there. Okay, small cap stock also doing well, and the QQQ is also doing well. And another sector at the top 50, S&P 500 top is still doing extremely well. So they gap up, gap up. Okay, but again, don't try to chase the market. Okay, let them cool down a little bit so that you know clear direction before you put the money. Okay, don't try to chase them, and then you get whack again. All right, so that's all I have for you today. So if you would like to learn how to understand the financial market, how to do day trade to make some extra daily income, and you'll be able to attend our live trading room every morning, so that you can see how our member taking the market, every morning on the first hour, so they can make some quick money for daily income, and then they turn around to do the swing trade, so they can make a bigger profit potential. So if you would like to do that, please check out our website at Stock Navigator. We have a free webinar for you to show you how we trade, so you can go in there and then take a look. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. So I hope everybody have a good weekend, and then we see you on the next week weekly market forecast. And good luck, everyone.